Did you know this about yourself? You are a unique individual with thoughts, emotions and behaviors. You have the ability to see, understand and know the world around you in a way only you can. There were adults in your life that helped you to develop these abilities in yourself. And so, you used your experiences to develop a sense of self. What is the sense of self? The sense of self is a collection of beliefs that we hold, the way you think about and view your traits, beliefs and purpose within the world. The sense of self is developed through socialization. Positive sense of self. There are 7 experiences that contribute to the construction of a positive sense of self. Common acceptance and respect, success with meaningful tasks, association of positive role models, honest feedback, genuinely challenging and meaningful tasks, opportunities for meaningful peer interaction, coping with defeats. Acceptance and respect. The level of acceptance and respect you get from relevant adults is a strong contributor to your sense of personal identity. Respect for others is communicated through the expression of genuine thoughts and interests as well as holding reasonably high standards for their behaviors and ability levels. Non-judgmental communication and view of families are also important components of respect. Success with meaningful task. A positive sense of self is derived from meaningful achievements. You must therefore be creative in identifying activities and tasks in which you can experience meaningful success and ideally a sense of contribution. Association of positive role models. People who are reminded of someone with strong values or great inner strength prior to beginning a difficult task tend to put more effort into the task and achieve at higher levels than if they had not had the positive association before beginning the task. Honest feedback. When giving feedback to an accomplished task, it should be honest, respectful and specific to the task at hand. Rather than saying good job, try saying, wow, you worked so hard, that took a long time and you didn't give up. Genuinely challenging and meaningful tasks. Creating experiences that are meaningful and fitting to your developmental level contribute to a positive sense of self. Opportunities for meaningful peer interaction. Finding opportunities that can contribute to ongoing support from peers can help contribute to a positive sense of self. Coping with defeats. Defeats are a part of everyday life. Sometimes, things do not work out or go as planned, and learning how to deal with these setbacks and turn them into opportunities for growth will help you build a positive sense of self. Assess your sense of self. A strong sense of self is directly tied to how happy, confident and successful you feel. It determines how fulfilling your personal and professional relationships are as well. Assess your sense of self and make sure it is strong and positive. Do the necessary change. You can find such tests and quizzes on the internet. Remember, it is important to evaluate your sense of self. A strong and positive sense of self will definitely help you choose the right career or job and be successful.